A very fantastic good morning. Nkoma obibiara we tune in or channel Ahosepe. O Sunday as usual no Mama Carols more honor amreba abeche tickets as usual into no zebe nyina there. Ebe call a friend. No so wa call another friend. O Sunday here that when you know we be more National Theatre Honor on the 16th for Saturday no. Now and then so maybe some question one pay. I don't know not what you most meeting years on the door. Until no under no missing phone cry questions no or the phone cry until no efra man not quickly no maybe so crop and mama answer not match your tickets. Ma mumbo mizinin chairway, mizinin Zay, the fancy doll president for the Brothers and Sisters Association in Tino, Akaba Sonko's about Ahosepe Jumezedo. Now, say tune in quickly no maybe phone lines no Atum or Sunday, Saturday or day in Yimize, or Bibasi we outside. Why done cry we outside. Yanuma ya into sono. Yanuma yet the dame ninano this Saturday and Yaza yebet in the dame. Ye bo pray about outside na yanso ya begin family bi ye mo won kwete won kwenja here all the time no Yerebaka showdown no ho Yerebaka showdown no ho nti no are very important that able to na afram na a win for yourself free ticket ma mombo code that as about to wo ticket no code no fa wo phone na yen to ticket no says ya where into na answer my question, but that's my question in the phone power. I will to Muna, I to Munta tickets, no. Even though I am 30 Ghana pet, 30 pet, 10 bassa, 10 3. Into Monto, it's a free no. About a question, but I will pay the etono. My mumbo short code no on famo star 714 star 003 star 3 hash momozna na jewo tickets na shehen wo National Theatre ohona yerko National Theatre honom na honom dameda no kechebe wo ho KK Fosu be wo ho the multimedia car bo wo ho the mara nso na kuma wood fo no so wo wo ho Abraham drama na every year be a drama no wa do won ho nkofia wonderful wonderful crying, you know. You watch one Saturday. Stars ning na if you had a stars ning na so bo honom. Umpono lessons na ning na no. Presenters no was babron. Is a way I was so able to na any stars no I link it up. Into no me boy phone lines no until more. Na Fred I na yanchu komo 0302 211 70124 Odom from CCR na yanchiche da munkomwe na question okrope tina mameke no etufo kra question mpo no musho man kasa mpo je mama ato apona ato wadado into no ehweda na mama answer na match your tickets able to na able pay mo or National Theatre most so be online do yam fan ntam na and them wo jumezi bebre na American December we are outside no and to sofo no one way my target de bia na ye shedem de bia me one prefect but this December yenyu won nyina ebesido nti no ma mfa nana yaw hello nana
hello
yes nana good morning
yes, good morning
okay what's your from free farm
but I'm a free ability
ohoboko wa
na me Adom na
okay na me na Adom na me cho tikita
if I cho
okay no maybe say there question in the phone cry he found a 9 lessons and carols no.
A patron National Theatre.
Yeah. Chawa wouldn't do the phone.
That's right.
Okay, to know, General producer no bakasana wa more tickets. I see you there, and I see you there. Hey. Question in the phone. One fair from. It to 4 bunko. Yeah, Alfreda. Hello, Alfreda.
Hello, Pacho. Good morning.
Good morning. They're from me for here far.
Pacho Pobi mine.
Okay, no hobokoa.
Adom boko pa.
Okay, Mate. Into no mama chow ticket ana.
Ay, cheme bako.
Me chow kre. Na abata me ebe boy abo na to where?
Pacho 5:30 anyway.
Na 30 ni free for account.
Pacho say
30 ni free.
The 5 o'clock.
Okay, I'll Mate. Jodu producer jo bakasa ai. Na wa more ticket to zamom. Akonya da hoda waso butum na from ntam na agi wo free tickets. Na yen promo yi na hembresi ya.
Adom TV asaka omubi o do mod gasem what you say. 9 lessons and colors nights. Asamba bio afidi ayesonko on the 16th of December at National Theatre. Oni out to war day. I think come to the penina. Na afia kwa beto media. And ye kaya ho stars akukudam na eba kukudam. Kumo stars akasia anyomtofo akasia Empire Ebedwa what you say 9 lessons and carols night on the 16th of December National Theatre what you say I feel waiting there Director Fifi Gabin trust him so kokra Adom TV you are joy
Young Mafishapo, after to ya, pepe. Obusafu so for Madina Gentuani, aka Kamatula. I don't think you come from ourselves saying 9 lessons and carols. 18 December, Saturday, and we also pepe. Let me get to the main baby. I want him, National Theatre. It's been about and Treffy, that I don't am paper. Dano, a big bag of fat, the big Kamatu.
Yes, I'm a PMO. I say I'm a PM. I touch your name at the day. And I say, Adom TV 9 lessons with the stars. No, I say I'm a PM. Nyame Ayatuma, our National Theatre on the 16th December. 16th December, Adom TV with all the stars, 9 lessons and carols. I say I'm a PM. Empire Beja or tell me Rapper Life. Stars in your pan life. To American go to tickets. Now you're smart, na be shy. Now you're the trouble, Jimmy. Adom TV, yeah. Adom TV now, lessons,
yeah. Into no most Adom TV where to hum oh baby biara no damara na 9 lessons no so obo to hum into no make it a point they about talk with tickets na e share here National Theatre this Saturday na America that we are outside no December baby aye ba for ho baby aye ze hu bejim on for who baby okay hey this December mayem hu bi na American da na Sankofa Heritage Productions was a big festival was aba on the form crowd by a door papa from the 14th to the 16th one crankrodium had no onya some kakraba na so no one more information ankasa no mention o had the uncle to organizers no the man mo pros those are artists and also be perform a war or your festival na say also o mention o had the no minji info no o ni chama mo na kwa be uncle to
you don't want to
na enye ni che zo obokodo wo chema or your cultural festival into no culture nyama ben na wo be ye Ahosepe is in nana. Ahosepe. Aha. Nti enye mencha nyama obokodo o hono.
Okay, Ahosepe no in Krankasa.
Okay.
Or trade shoes.
I see.
Yes, that is what it is. Now, I mean, it's got a lot of details. In with Ahosepe, you know.
Okay.
Because of then Ghana, you promote hen culture in the diaspora.
Okay.
Nas no on China, yes Ahosepe, you know, yes Rubefi.
Okay.
Na yes alcohol, diaspora so. In connection with there, pina wow na bruchi na culture no wase someone wana dwene na bibia nti sisia no yepede yezi ahimfo na hen traditions na zunso yezi ko diaspora ni ekachron hen amamre na amamre gina America sisia matna bruchi for a whole long whatever nti and I'm here paying no cry no sisia no I culture ni pi me miss in cry with the Americans of cry no kasa no aye bibi
and the first from
the first from Azia which say ye jama my from so will follow the same steps now not sure the bibia I mean we'll go down the drain I mean from us and see you introduce as parts in waha ni yesa yesa called diaspora specifically UK Canada and the US.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And see,
it's international festival, pa.
I know, international festival.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I Ghana za. Ghana here,
that's right.
Mancha Bona.
Yeah, Mancha Bona.
Okay.
Now, a festival.
Okay.
Now, it's also linked to the Beyond
the Return.
The Return.
Okay.
Now, you know, because as no sometimes I say politics nazi yeah na fidi I mean BBR diminish because of I mean back and forth with whatever it is and see we created this thing as a social to enable everyone to get involved and see jinahanima
wow and see obiara invited ana
obiara botuma ba obiara botuma ba
14th to 16th Okay. So na chede me you can say kra no oyaza wada hihye do.
Enyo oyaza
be hu da wo be street parade, wo be bonfire, storytelling, high life with the stars. Na stars no kro ha. Prosdos yo our rapper.
And me a rapper, me Afrobeat.
Wow.
And reggae.
To unyom kakra mam na ye hu da zuna se be do.
Africa. Africa. Insiano le miansi. Africa. Africa. Ona bibia oh. Africa. Africa. Ona tu oh. Africa. Africa. We have everything oh.
Wow.
Watch out for it.
Wow. Until perform on date.
Me performing live Friday.
Okay, Friday.
That was 15.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come and see something. I invite all Ghanaians, everybody in the world to come and see. I'm bringing something that will blow your mind.
Okay.
I'm bringing the real culture of our ancestors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I'm beginning to choose the performances. Be associated with the Ahosepe.
Oh, met me like say me music gang.
Okay.
And I'm doing a lot of things in Africa here.
Okay.
In Togo Culture Crack, I'm the president of the industry.
Oh wow! Yeah. Wow!
I won it.
Wow!
I'm the only Ghanaian guy who won that thing and won the organizer for Africa Culture Crack and regional organizer for Crack in Ghana.
Ah. Papa no wase ho. Na ye kan dem obi bi so woni tim wo register or to the arrangement to the able to be kakra na.
Oh, I mean about an open festival.
Okay.
And see obi anyo ba becheska. Just the is banning na in zama button wo na zan no so they encourage one of the festival to contribute to that because in there say festivals na I mean number it comes with a lot of cost. And see, at least if they patronize with all these are traditional and local food, I think it's going to help the festival to actually grow from one state to another. Okay.
Into so be pedal about join the festival, no but turn as a pedal about sponsor, about this kabishe mukakra. Quickly, no, aba number and no be free.
Okay.
Okay. No, mamumbo kakra. Mazatu TV no draw 0245 033 552 054 522 268. Nti no say epede ekotonaze wo honom from one CCR na kokotonaze wo honom because you know about attract a lot of people nipa bebre baba wakwa festival you so go things on the phone you be keke mu Jamestown or ye in da case Saturday ye baba ho ye ni wona be be sit papa tim da ho na asane pay there over cancer or ewo bibi pede kan ochotwana.
Oh, I'm there. It's a interviews. No, I mean there are other. I mean days that is coming.
Okay.
You see, you been also babana kakra ones one so about you.
Okay, Martin. I was so last words be pede kan.
There me person me catch Ghana phone say obian support. Na obian MP na me hwe aspiratory festival.
Okay.
One in town, one in Ghana.
Okay.
Come and witness.
Aspatare
Festival.
Obedum. You be keke shiemo owo Jamestown, Agbona Manche, Agbona. Na yakakaji hene nyuanti no nyamisho bebre na wajimbre na wonyimi ye is na ye Fantador president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Aspatare
Festival.
You be shiemo